Hello, this is a continuation of the previous tutorial, which earlier tutorial we saw there was a problem and did not work, but somehow I realized that it should work. There is no reason why it did not work because I did not change anything. Let me explain what I did. I declared one string object str1 initialized with Albert, declared another string object str2 initialized with Einstein. Now I declared another string object called name and initialize that with str1. Therefore the string object name will have the string called Albert. Now I am doing a concatenation. I am concatenating string str2, that is Einstein, with name, and name contains Albert. So this is another way of concatenation. So plus equal to. So in this method you can concatenate as many number of strings you want in a for loop or while loop or this kind of loop. So you can use loop syntax and you can do concatenation of multiple strings. Now if I run this program, I see from the first part of the program it printed Stephen Hawking, that is okay. From the second part of the program, that is Albert and Einstein, it printed the name Albert Einstein. Of course there is no space. So if I want to put a space between Albert and Einstein, I can do one thing. If I want, I can add one extra space with the name Albert. That is one way of doing it. And let me show you another way of using increment method. What I can do is, now name contains the value Albert, so I will add one space character with name. So name plus equal to, so I will add one space. So you got another, so now you know how to use plus equal to. So now name will contain Albert and one extra space. Then again I am doing a concatenation with whatever value is there with name with string 2. So now it will have Albert space then Einstein. So now you got a good idea how this string concatenation actually works. So remember, string concatenation is just opposite to substring. In substring you had a large string and you from that large string you extracted one smaller string, either by providing the starting index or by providing starting and ending index. So substring always gives you a smaller string, whereas concatenation helps you to build a larger string from smaller strings. So you can concatenate 2 strings, 3 strings, 4 strings, or as many number of strings as you want in a Java loop using for loop or do while loop or while loop, this kind of syntax. So concatenation is just opposite to substring. In using concatenation you can build larger strings from smaller strings. I'll see you in the next tutorial.